Guys, can me and one of my friends build the safest we should have to run right to the park. Come. Bro, come here. Bro, this is so weak, bro.
Bro, stop it. Puta.
Oh my god, bro.
Fine.
Yeah.
Yay! 86 days pa.
He's still 26 days, guys, because he's so poor, bro. He's so dumb.
Give me a Robux.
I don't want to. You get the kid. Lock in, bro, lock in. Sorry, guys, for the long wait. But I'm here, guys.
Wait a minute. What do you mean? No!
That's my friend. He's kind of dumb.
There you go.
Save the kid, bro. You're so dumb.
No.
Get the wood. Get some wood and then kill the. And I'll get the child. Come here, bro. You don't know how to play? I'm lagging, guys. I'm lagging. Let me save the child. Don't follow me, bro. Just put wood in the campfire. Let's kill the wolf, guys. Come here. Wait, bro, I lag. Bro, I have a trap, bro. You're so dumb. Bro, I'm getting killed.
From you and from
Bro's gonna get killed.
ano naman sa YouTube?
Yup.
Pero maribo ko na dito.
Bro, I'm one shot, bro.
Bye. Kada ka nagagamit ng tablet. Kaya sila dito di. Kada pinago mo lang. Pinago mo lang.
Hindi, pinda ka mag-sisa. Bro, upgrade the camp.
Yes.
You're so dumb.
Parang muna si Ido.
Bro. so loud. So dark, bro.
Kaburing.
I'm so bored. Bro, lock in.
Ang iba ba kasi nagkukuha na din ang kwarta.
Bro.
I got a good hat and nagsasound ka dun, Joy.
Bro, let me get a child.
Ako nakakasal na ako din sa ano? Pagkalsada ako ba ako din doon kung subscriber ko. Doon. Ako yan. Subscriber ko. Tama.
Oh my god, bro. Come here. Oh, bro.
I got advantage.
They're killing it.
Kasi din, kumakain ka sa Joy.
Oh my god.
Saan, Joy? Mga tigarabi. Wala masyado sa dami.
Yes. You got the kid.
Doon, iba na kay Joy.
I got the kid, bro. Bro.
I'm coming. Hey. Sinibigyan the food.
I already saved the child, bro. Are you dumb?
Kasi doon dito po ni Bagyo ko sa bago. Guys.
I don't know.
Ay, seryoso mo lang.
Oh my god. Oh my god. How many gems do you have? Bro! You're so disgusting, bro. Bro, you're in a video!
Okay, sorry.
Guys, it's lagging.
Meeting. Yung meeting sa lalaki.
Come here, bro.
Sorry, bro. Ay,
Oh my god, what a stronghold. Oh, it's not a stronghold.
Open the ladder. It's so scary. Ladder.
So, wait, I cannot.
Bro! Come on!
Whoa, it cannot. Bro, you cannot do it, bro. Tomorrow. Oh my god. Where? Bandage. Bro, stronghold. Stronghold. Fast. Bro, you found the cannibal. I can do it. Run, bro. I have a bandage. Let yourself die. I already have a bandage. Let's play in the cannibal. Oh my god, bro. Bro, I'm so bad at this. Yes! I got the ticket. You got the ticket? Wait, this is Dardes. Bro, we got it. Bro, I'm hungry too. Wait, wait, I can do this. Oh my god, bro, this is so scary. Do you have a flashlight? Come with me. There's a deer. Bro, I'm starving. Help! Bro, I want to open it. Bye-bye. I was starving. Buy me with the man. I opened the chest. Get the bandage. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Like this. Bro, I one shot. Bro, I'm dead. Bro, he died. Bro, the thing wasn't a success, but we can try again.
I'm sorry.
Sorry guys, this is the end of the video.